Hi guys, welcome to Richard Cabile YouTube channel. In today's video, I will teach you how to change Wattpad usernames. Okay guys, but before we start, kindly subscribe to my YouTube channel by pressing the subscribe button and the bell to notify you if I have new videos. Okay guys, let's start. You all have to do is go to Wattpad application in your mobile phone. Okay guys, here in Wattpad homepage, okay, click the profile picture on the upper right side on your screen. And after that, click the gear icon on the upper right side on your screen. And okay guys, here in settings, in application settings, you can see the account settings. So okay, click account settings. And now you can see the username. So okay, to change it, you'll have to do is click username and the pop-up will show. And okay guys, change username, you can create the new username. Okay guys, after you change the username, we need to confirm your password. Okay, enter your password here. And okay guys, after you enter the password, so okay, you only have to do is click change button. Okay, changing your username. And okay guys, username change. So okay guys, we have successfully changed the username in your Wattpad account. So okay guys, if you have a question, kindly comment below. And don't forget to hit the subscribe button and the bell to notify you if I have new videos. Okay guys, thank you for watching.